Yield farming has taken the crypto world by storm, unlocking new ways for investors to earn passive income. According to CoinMarketCap, the total value of yield farming tokens today is $9.73 billion. But with so many options, which tokens will give you the best gains from your crypto assets? In this video, we will be breaking down 5 powerhouse cryptocurrencies that are dominating the yield farming space this year. Hi everyone, welcome to Crypto Coast News, your gateway to crypto mastery. Before we dive in, remember, this video is purely educational and not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. How can specific tokens be good for yield farming? The assets we'll be focusing on today are those widely used in yield farming strategies across various decentralized finance or DeFi protocols. These tokens are supported on multiple platforms, allowing users to deposit or stake their assets in liquidity pools, lending platforms, or other DeFi strategies to earn rewards. Now, selecting the right tokens can be tricky, especially if you're new to yield farming or DeFi. That's why understanding the fundamentals is essential. If you want to dive deeper into how to research these assets and build effective strategies, I highly recommend checking out the Crypto Labs research course on how to build a cash-flowing DeFi business. This course will help you analyze DeFi opportunities, navigate the complexities of the market, and make more informed decisions. The course is completely free, and I've linked it in the description below. Anyway, back to assessing the top yield farming tokens. Here are the key criteria we'll be using. Liquidity. Cryptocurrencies with high liquidity are generally safer and tend to be more profitable for yield farming. High liquidity ensures there's enough trading volume and depth to minimize volatility and reduce slippage. Platform compatibility. The more platforms that support a token, the more flexibility you have in your farming strategies. This allows you to explore various yield farming pools and maximize your options. Transaction fees. Yield farming often involves frequent transactions, so choosing tokens with low transaction fees can help increase profitability by minimizing your costs. Ecosystem growth. Tokens that are part of rapidly growing ecosystems with strong community support and ongoing development offer more yield farming opportunities and long-term sustainability. Now that we've covered the key criteria for selecting the right assets for yield farming, let's dive into the 5 powerhouse cryptocurrencies leading the charge in this space. First is Ethereum, arguably the cornerstone of decentralized finance. Ethereum is the most widely used blockchain for yield farming and powers many of the top DeFi platforms like Uniswap, Aave, and Compound. In fact, most DeFi projects rely on Ethereum's smart contract capabilities, making it a popular asset in the yield farming ecosystem. One of the main reasons Ethereum is a great choice for yield farming is its liquidity. As one of the largest and most actively traded cryptocurrencies, Ethereum ensures that liquidity pools are well funded, reducing volatility and increasing stability for yield farmers. Platforms like Uniswap and SushiSwap allow you to provide liquidity using ETH or its wrapped version WETH, which is ERC20 compatible and can be used across multiple DeFi protocols. In addition, you can lend or borrow ETH on platforms like Aave, earning interest as a lender or liquidity provider. With the recent Ethereum 2.0 upgrade, which focuses on improving scalability and reducing gas fees, ETH is becoming even more appealing for yield farmers. Lower transaction fees mean less cost for staking, swapping, and withdrawing, which can ultimately boost farming profits. Next, we have Binance Coin or BNB, the native token of the Binance Smart Chain. BNB has gained popularity in the yield farming space because of its role in the Binance ecosystem and its compatibility with DeFi platforms like PancakeSwap and Venus. One of the main reasons BNB is widely used in yield farming is its low transaction fees. Transactions on Binance Smart Chain are faster and more cost-effective than on Ethereum, which can be advantageous for users performing frequent transactions in DeFi. On platforms like PancakeSwap, users can provide liquidity using BNB to earn rewards. Additionally, lending protocols like Venus allow users to stake or lend BNB as part of their yield farming strategies. BNB also has broad utility within the Binance ecosystem, which includes reduced fees for trading on the exchange and use as a gas token on the Binance Smart Chain. This makes BNB versatile across different use cases in both centralized and decentralized finance. While BNB is known for its low fees and speed, our next cryptocurrency takes scalability to the next level. Avalanche. Avalanche, which uses the token AVAX, is a high-performance blockchain known for its scalability and speed. Avalanche has become a favorite in the DeFi community due to its low latency and ability to process thousands of transactions per second. This makes it well suited for decentralized finance applications, including yield farming. Scalability is Avalanche's standout feature. Its unique consensus mechanism allows for fast finality on transactions, which is critical for maintaining efficient yield farming operations. This means that users experience minimal delays when staking or withdrawing assets. Trader Joe and Pangolin are two popular platforms on Avalanche where users can provide liquidity or stake AVAX in various pools. These platforms offer diverse yield farming opportunities and support seamless integration with Avalanche's fast transaction times. Another notable aspect of Avalanche is its cross-chain compatibility. Avalanche's ecosystem allows users to bridge assets between different blockchains, providing flexibility in farming strategies that can interact with Ethereum and other networks. Avalanche's focus on scalability and speed makes it a strong contender for yield farming, but our next cryptocurrency is known for making Ethereum even more efficient, Polygon. Polygon uses the token POL, which was recently upgraded from Matic as part of Polygon's shift to Polygon 2.0. This upgrade enhances the token's utility and makes it a key player in decentralized finance and yield farming. POL serves as the native gas and staking token on the Polygon network, playing a vital role in securing the network and processing transactions. Low transaction fees and fast confirmation times make Polygon an attractive option for yield farming. These features allow users to perform multiple transactions without being heavily impacted by fees, which is crucial in maximizing the efficiency of yield farming strategies. Popular platforms like QuickSwap and Aave offer yield farming opportunities for POL. You can provide liquidity or stake POL in these pools, benefiting from Polygon's fast and low-cost network. As part of the Polygon 2.0 upgrade, POL is now considered a hyper-productive token, meaning it can generate fees from multiple sources, including staking, securing data layers, and more. This expanded utility enhances its role within the DeFi space. Polygon's low fees and ecosystem growth make it a strong option for yield farmers. Now, let's move on to our final cryptocurrency, Solana, which is known for its lightning-fast transactions. Solana, using the token SOL, is a blockchain known for its high throughput and low fees. Solana has gained popularity in the DeFi world because of its ability to handle thousands of transactions per second, making it ideal for yield farming strategies where speed and efficiency are essential. Solana's ultra-fast transaction speeds and low costs make it one of the most efficient blockchains for yield farming. This allows farmers to stake or provide liquidity with minimal delays and low fees, making it attractive for those looking to participate in multiple farming pools. You can farm SOL on platforms like Radium and Serum, which offer liquidity provision opportunities for Solana-based tokens. These platforms integrate seamlessly with Solana's fast blockchain, allowing for a smooth farming experience. Solana's rapidly expanding DeFi ecosystem is another reason it's well suited for yield farming. With new projects being built on Solana, the number of farming and staking opportunities continue to grow. Now that we've explored Solana and its high-speed, low-fee ecosystem, let's bring everything together. We've covered 5 standout cryptocurrencies for yield farming in 2024, each with unique strengths. Ethereum is a foundational crypto in DeFi, providing high liquidity and robust platform support across multiple yield farming protocols. Binance Coin offers low fees and high speed, making it ideal for yield farming on the Binance Smart Chain. Avalanche delivers scalability and fast finality, perfect for those who prioritize speed and efficiency in their farming strategies. Polygon, with its recent upgrade from Matic to Pol, brings low-cost transactions and a growing ecosystem that enhances yield farming opportunities. Solana rounds out the list with its lightning-fast transactions and growing DeFi network, giving users access to numerous farming platforms with minimal fees. Yield farming is evolving, and these cryptocurrencies are at the forefront of this space. While they all bring unique features to the table, it's important to remember that yield farming involves risk, including potential market volatility and impermanent loss. Be sure to research thoroughly and understand the mechanics before getting started. If you want to dive deeper into how yield farming works, be sure to check out our video Yield Farming, Everything You Need to Know, for a complete breakdown of the fundamentals. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you never miss an update on the latest crypto trends. And let me know in the comments which crypto you think will dominate yield farming in 2024.